Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open apps and notifications. It's here. Go to all apps and then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select reset app preferences. And if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions, click on Reset Apps. And that's it, you've just reset app preferences. Congratulations, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.